second week ng March. Parang mushroom, nalalanta. Malambot lang kasi yung ano nila steam. Wala. Ano? Tapos ang pasada. Ayun, bagay. Kaso walang maraming ano, hindi dumami yung ano yung ng white. Isa-isa lang. Ayun guys. Ganda talaga nila steam. Hello everyone, good afternoon. So today is Monday. So tapos ang work ko for today kasi this week is holiday guys, it's school holiday. So ang kinakancel ko lahat ng trabaho ko sa sa agency for house cleaning. So ang work ko this week is only Ladbroke. So 3 hours lang ang work ko today. So pauwi na ako. Ang ganda ng weather. Ang ganda ng weather today guys. So naka-work ako ng morning today kasi off na nga partner ko, hindi siya nagpunta ng hindi siya nag-overtime kasi sinabi ko na na ibigay niya sa akin yung off day niya track mag-work, pero bukas wala akong work. So kung pupunta ko siya sa work bukas overtime, Monday and Tuesday kasi off niya. So gusto niya mag-overtime, di mag-overtime. So dadaan muna ako sa maliit na tindahan guys kasi may bibilhin ako na candy para sa pangkulot na yung candy na binili ko kasi naiwan niya sa park. So bibilhan ko siya ulit, 1 pound lang naman, isang piraso lang. Grabe ang ganda ng weather today guys, tingnan nyo. Ito yung Riverside pero hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Grabe, it's sunny guys pero still cold pa rin. Diyos ko naman, punta kami ng Hanslo. So sabihin ko sa partner ko magpunta kami ng Hanslo kasi mamili ako para sa box ko. Ito nung bigaw, grabe. Ang tawag na sunny. Tawid tayo guys. Hindi alam lang, hindi ko sinabi sa partner ko na cancel ko yung work sa agency for this week. So nag-cancel naman kasi yung ibang tawag na, yung ibang customer ay nag-cancel. So pag hindi ko i-cancel, mga bagong customer naman ang guys. Ayoko nang magkuha muna ng bagong customer kasi ako mahirap pag magkuha ka ng bagong customer kasi hindi enough yung time na book nila. Sobrang dumi ng bahay, ganun. So I canceled it kahit walang pera, at least kahit wala akong perang kikitain, at least tawag nun, hindi ko yung iba kasi hindi sila nagbibigay ng tip kahit extra sa pag nalampas ka ng book hours nila. Hindi sila nagbibigay ng tip. Kung anong book nila, yun lang. Kaya huwag na or wag na, diba? Ganda ng weather guys. Ay, lamig pa rin color talaga. Mag-wait na dito pa. Diyan ako mag-wait ng bus. Ng tindahan. Ito lang naman yun ang candy guys. Yung 129 na ngayon. Dati 1 pound lang, ngayon 129. So wait ako ng bus. So ayan guys, sinadya kong bumaba dito sa Tiddington Lock kasi may dadaanan ako yung February na ngayon, sa spring na tayo, diba? So nakita ko yung flower na parang mushroom na nagsisibulan na guys, nag-bloom na siya. So start lang ng bloom. So sunny ngayon. That's why we need to check if they are already open. Kasi parang mushroom sila pag ulan, nag-close. Tapos pag ganito ang weather, may araw, is bumubuka sila. Ang ganda pa naman tingnan kasi parang naka carpet sila guys. Kasi yan ang dadaanan dito lang bago tayo sasakay ulit ng bus. Yan ang kita ko sa inyo. Yung journey na ito guys, nung pumutubo, since na itanim mo sila naka sa ilalim, ay hindi sila malalanta. So sisibol tuwing spring, start ng spring. Saglit lang dito sila guys, hanggang second week ng March. Parang mushroom, nalalanta. Malambot lang kasi yung nila steam. Lapit lang sa kalsada. Ito yung bagay. Kaso walang maraming hindi dumami yung ng white. Isa-isa lang. Yan lang guys. Ganda talaga nila steam. Hanggang second week ng March lang dito. Yan lang po, tapos sasakay ulit tayo ng bus. Diba? Marami pa yan doon guys, kalat, pero wag na tayo doon. Dito lang tayo kasi parehas lang naman, bulaklak eh. Kaso plain lang yun doon, dito may halong colorful talaga dito. May white, may yellow, may violet. Let's go! So ayan guys, we get ready. It's too late to get ready to go out now. It's already 5:30 in the night afternoon. So I feel tired already after lunch because it's sunny today, but it's still cold. So that's why I feel like lay down only after eating. So but I don't have creamer like I want to drink tea in my breakfast. So I need what we call that, Nestle cream, Nestle creamer, the creamer one, the coffee make.
I like you're like making a mustache on your lips. Yeah, you're making mustache on your lips.
Hindi na ako nagamit ng
Andi.
kaya. Wala ako nakagamit ng mirror pala. So yun, yung partner ko busy pa, nag-toilet pa. Anong oras na kami, gabi na, madilim na. So it's winter na, spring already, so that's why is the, what do you call that?
Cherry blossoms.
The
Cherry
weather
blossoms.
change as well. It's dark. It's not dark at 4:30. So past 5:30 na, I still have the bright light still. So
And the cherry blossoms are blooming as well on the trees.
yeah, I saw my favorite flower today.
Cherry blossoms.
Not cherry blossom.
Ah. Why? That looks like Pinky's lipstick.
Hmm?
That looks like Pinky's lipstick. That actually looks like Pinky's lipstick.
Kasi if I use red, it's too red as well. Sorry. Hard is. Okay pala ito. Ang haba naman ng ano.
No, you can have the Kinder egg.
Mm.
The Kinder egg in there.
Huh? Yeah.
The Kinder egg! Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. It's chocolate, because that's always happening. That's always the same thing. What kind of
So
surprise
ayun guys,
is
hindi na ako
What kind
make up.
of surprise is this?
Naglagay na lang ako ng anong tawag niya? Ng baby powder. Yung Johnson ba?
I need to crack the egg. Hi! Smash the egg.
Okay naman pala guys yung
Smash it!
natin, yung pink na lipstick. So hindi masyadong bright, diba? Kasi hindi naman ako nag-makeup. Kaya
That looks like Pinky's.
pink. Naka-pink muna tayo today.
That looks like Pinky's.
I have a lot of lipstick guys, but I don't like the shade.
The
Yeah,
same thing.
merong binigay sa akin. Hindi ko gusto yung kasi yung mga nude, yung mga light color. Gusto ko yung dark, yung red, yung red yung pinaka the best ko, tapos pink na dark pink. Yun ang gusto ko ng mga shade sa lipstick. Kasi minsan hindi ako nagme-makeup, so naka face powder lang ako. So yung yung bright ng mukha ko ay pag ako ng darker na lipstick ay lumalabas yung, kahit hindi ako nagme-makeup guys, lang ako. Ayan, face powder lang yan. Hindi na ako kasi kakatamad naman, wala namang pagandahan.
Can you help me fix this?
Ay, Sandrine. So, yan lang po. So, waiting na lang ako sa partner. Tagin. Take the comb there, nakanda kasi we come your hair. So, see you later, guys.
Bye.
Oh, we need the green jumper. Oh, okay. They are going to write to us to tell us about it. The uniform we have to buy. And then we order it.
What is that noise?
The ground.
No. What is that like? What is that noise coming from your car?
Where's the engine?
Scary. Even si Kananig cannot buy. Buy here, but then yung car.
Over
Who
there,
buy?
we can
You
get
give me, help me.
Dito na kami guys sa Costco. What was that? Ang daming ano. There's new stock.
Follow me.
For the grocery, there's no grocery here. The coffee mate. Clothing. Battery. This one is no grocery kan?
Yeah, go there.
It's on the other side, I think. You still have chicken? May ano. Wow, here. Mayroon silang ano. Lucky, but the ano. Cake, no. Ang mahal ng cake nila kayo sa ano. Cupcake. Ito naman tayo sa cupcake. Ano nila, there's a lot of stock now. No, it's not here. Here is wine. Hennessy. Vodka. Aperol. No, not there. In the other side.
Mommy, don't buy water.
But I still have water.
Hey, you're supposed to buy one.
Huh?
You don't come here again. Buy egg.
You don't have egg, you still have egg there. No, long time I didn't eat egg.
You have to eat.
Hey, yo, hold on.
This one, that's one. We top of the other one. Stay there.
Mommy, mommy.
So ayan guys, tapos na kami. Oh my god. Ang naano ko ngayon ay 117. Ay 114, 117. Oh my god. Pero pang box naman mostly guys. Ang mahal kasi ng ano, corned beef. Yeah. Dilim na. It's dark already. It's okay because we're closer Costco guys. We're not far.
Stop, stop, stop.
Cover your head, Nak. It's too cold. Ay.
Stop, 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 stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, the tank, the tank. No, the tank.
Before. Never mind.
So
It's-
who
you
is
have
that for?
inside. You have inside. There is lot inside. The cup is big.
You
didn't
hold. Huh? Take your hot dog.
It's okay. It's a lot inside. Huh? No.
No more?
There is. He pour. Never mind. It's good you have later. This is enough.
So ano guys, we're going home na pero nag-stop over muna kami dito sa ano sa work ko shop kasi dumaan yung partner ko saglit.
Mommy, I finished my hot dog.
Yung kulot ko guys, kumain ng hotdog kasi gutom daw siya.
But mommy, I'm already finished it.
With the bread.
Yeah.
You finished the bread?
Yeah. Look.
That's good.
The bread.
Yan. Nagtampo pa siya guys kasi yung drinks niya ay natapon sa ano, pagbaba namin sa Costco. Yan. You still have drinks?
Yeah, but it's nearly finishing because I'm drinking it.
Still have left. Okay yun guys, yan lang po ang video namin. Thank you for watching. Hindi niyo makikita yung partner ko ngayon kasi nandoon sa loob ng Ladbrokes. So, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. It's our video for today.
Bye.